The world of PC gaming and enthusiast builds has never been more diverse, with countless manufacturers offering cases that cater to every style, need, and budget. Among the new names trying to carve out a space in this competitive industry is Aquirys, a brand that places strong emphasis on futuristic aesthetics and solid build quality. One of their standout mid-tower cases is the Aquirys Gacrux, a chassis that combines bold design with functionality, aiming to appeal to both gamers and system builders who want a machine that not only performs but also looks like a centerpiece of their setup. At first glance, the Gacrux immediately sets itself apart with its striking design. Unlike the minimalistic trend that dominates much of today's PC case market, Aquirys embraces a more expressive style. The front panel is sculpted with angular patterns and aggressive contours that give the case a futuristic, almost sci-fi appearance. Complementing this design are ARGB lighting strips, integrated neatly to enhance the visual effect without looking tacky or overdone. For builders who enjoy showcasing their rig, the tempered glass side panel provides a clear and sturdy window into the components inside. Moving beyond aesthetics, the Gacrux delivers on practicality as well. As a mid-tower case, it supports ATX, Micro ATX and Mini IDX motherboards, providing flexibility for different builds. Inside there is ample room for high-end hardware, including long graphics cards and large air coolers. Liquid cooling enthusiasts will appreciate the generous radiator support. It accommodates a 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm unit at the top, ensuring that custom cooling loops or AIO solutions fit without issue. For airflow, the case comes pre-equipped with multiple RGB fans, strategically placed to create a balanced intake and exhaust system. The mesh sections and dust filters also help maintain a clean build over time, reducing the hassle of frequent maintenance. Storage options are equally versatile. The Gacrux provides a good balance of 2.5-inch SSD mounts and 3.5-inch HDD trays, ensuring that users can combine fast solid-state storage with larger mechanical drives. Cable management is another highlight. With well-positioned routing channels and rubber grommets, the case makes it easy to achieve a tidy, professional-looking build. The rear side offers ample space to hide excess cabling, while Velcro straps help keep everything in place. These details may seem minor, but they contribute significantly to the overall user experience. One of the defining aspects of the Gacrux is its focus on lighting and presentation. The RGB effects are vibrant yet smooth, adding an extra layer of personality to the case without overshadowing the hardware inside. When it comes to build quality, Aquirys has done a commendable job. The Gacrux feels solid, with a steel frame that inspires confidence in durability. The tempered glass is thick and scratch-resistant, while the plastic elements on the front and top panels don't feel flimsy or cheap. This sense of sturdiness, combined with thoughtful design, makes the case not just attractive but also dependable for long-term use. That said, there are a few considerations worth noting. Due to its bold styling, the Gacrux may not appeal to users who prefer understated or minimalist aesthetics. Additionally, while airflow is generally good, the solid portions of the front panel could restrict intake compared to fully meshed designs. This is not a deal-breaker, especially since the included fans and radiator support help compensate, but it is something to keep in mind for users planning extremely high-performance builds. Lastly, while the case offers great storage flexibility, builders looking to install a large number of HDDs may find the options slightly limited compared to more workstation-oriented cases. In terms of value, the Aquirys Gacrux positions itself competitively. It brings together premium features such as tempered glass, RGB fans and radiator support at a price point that undercuts some better-known brands. For gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a case that looks striking, performs well and offers modern conveniences, it represents a strong choice. Final verdict: the Aquirys Gacrux is a case designed to stand out. With its futuristic aesthetics, integrated lighting, spacious interior, and solid construction, it succeeds in blending style with functionality. It's ideal for gamers who want to showcase their components in a visually impressive chassis without sacrificing airflow or cooling support. While it may not suit those seeking a minimalist look, it undoubtedly appeals to anyone who wants their PC to be both a powerful machine and a visual statement. Overall, the Aquirys Gacrux is a well-rounded mid-tower case that offers excellent value, thoughtful features, and a bold design philosophy, making it a compelling option in today's crowded case market. Please leave a like and tell me what processor you have in your build.